Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Facebook and you can click here. In this page of app info, you will click on full stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your